So the video today is, would I recommend you guys teenagers to buy a Scatpack? Well, I'm gonna have you guys just look and listen. Honestly, that's the best explanation I can give. As you can see, there's the horsepower I'm doing right now. Let me hit the gas just a little bit. Not even the gas, man. Let me open up this damn window so you guys can hear this shit. Oh my God. Oh my God. Bro, you know what's crazy, y'all? It is 18 degrees. Y'all see that motherfucking sun beaming hard as fuck. Or negative 18, I meant to say. My fault. Y'all see that back? Hey, y'all see that motherfucking back smoke? Stop playing with me, bro. I do this, though. I fucking do this, but I know y'all see all that fucking smoke in the background, bro. Bro, this shit is fucking fun. I don't care what none of y'all niggas say, bro. Like, if you don't get a Scatpack, bro, like, or even a Hellcat, hold on, let me give you a point of view. I don't want y'all niggas looking at my face all day, but yeah, man, this shit is fucking fun, man. Like, I owned a lot of Ford Mustangs in the past, bro, and this shit is just different. Only thing is, take this motherfucking badge off, put a Scatpack or SRT on this bitch. Like, this ain't no V6. You know, Dodge trying to disrespect us with this fucking steering wheel on this motherfucker. But y'all see that horsepower jump and y'all see that smoke in the background. It's like every time you hit the gas, you create a lot of smoke because the wheels are spinning so much. And this just shows how, like, man, I'm about to show out real quick. I gotta show out. I'm gonna wait for this car right here to, cause I'm about to really go. I'm really about to fucking show out, bro. Y'all about to watch this shit in 4K. Alright, watch this. I'm fucking gone, bro. Y'all talking about this shit not fun, bro? Hold on, man. I'm fucking gone, bro. Y'all better stop playing. Let me relax, cause I just filled out my gas tank and my shit damn near on E right now, bro. Like, God damn, bro, you spending $60. Yeah, you getting them smiles and giggles, but damn, bro, that's just the one part that just hurt. Every time I just fill up, hey man, I got motherfuckers looking at me when they driving. I gotta show y'all something real quick. So when you got this type of car, literally, bro. Okay, I don't want to show you guys my name, obviously. This is what I got, American Express. And this is the Platinum card, bro. Don't play with me. So if you know anything about credit, you guys know, like, American Express cards are good. This card is unlimited, bro. So every time I go to the gas station, I just swipe it because I don't want that shit to come out of my checking account. I just want to see that shit for my credit. You feel me? Yeah, I do end up paying at the end of the month, but that's better than just every day gas. I don't want to see that on my bank record. That's going to make me mad to fuck around and get a Honda Civic, and I don't want to do that. But I mean, occasionally you do see me cruising. I don't just be hitting the gas all the time. Obviously, when I got a female right here and I'm trying to impress the bitch, yeah, I'm finna. You said what? You said what, bitch? You feel me? No disrespect, but yeah. U92, hear me? So look how filthy this thing is in the fucking snow, bro. This motherfucker is so fucking filthy, bro. Like, I don't even want to touch this shit, bro. Real shit. I gotta show y'all the back. The back is even worse. I don't want y'all to see my license plate through. Actually, I don't care, man. I don't really care. See how dirty this shit is, bro? Right here, like, holy fuck. Definitely getting this bitch used for sure. So I'm definitely getting this car, and my money's worth for sure. The sun is beaming at me. Shout out to the 5% tip. But main reason why I'm making this video, honestly, bro, I want to talk to y'all about, like I said, man, is this car really worth it? My opinion, yes, it is. Every single dollar for sure, man. But I will be letting this car go like 2-3 months. This ain't my thing. It's more power, but it's really Ford performance for me. I just want to be able to dust Hellcats and shit like that. So that's it for me. With that being said, make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you guys are new. And I'm out, man.